Welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids, where we spotlight stocks with extreme moves. I'm Mitchell, and today we're covering Republic Power Group Limited, ticker RPGL, a Singapore based provider of customized enterprise resource planning software solutions, consulting services, and technical support to large and medium sized enterprises. Fresh off its October 2012 NASDAQ IPO, closing an $8.5 million offering, RPGL has been a roller coaster. Shares hit all-time highs near $5.19 shortly after debuting, but pulled back sharply amid microcap volatility. The action heated up again as of late December, including a massive after-hour surge on December 26, pushing shares over 80% to around 48 cents on explosive volume, with intraday swings recently hitting highs near 56 cents. This low float name continues delivering wild momentum trades in a quiet holiday week. High risk runner or quick fade? Share your thoughts below. Buy the spike, hold, or caution. Like for more volatile stock alerts, subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Mitchell Makes Vids. Now, guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my YouTube channel today. See you in the next one.